So today, I want you to spend 1 or 2 hours to learn how you can be able to start an online business in Kenya. You need to figure out how you can be able to monetize your knowledge, your skills, your expertise, and life experiences to be able to generate an income from the internet. This means that you can do that and build an income generating online business in Kenya. So spending the 1 or 2 hours today means that out of your 24 hours per day, you're actually going to be doing something productive that can ultimately end up helping you to create an extra source of income. And in those 2 hours, you're going to learn a number of things. And one of them is that you need to learn the many online business models that you can be able to start and earn money online in Kenya. These are business models or ways in which you can be able to build a business that makes money. How can you profit from an online ecosystem? How can you be able to actually make money from things that you already have, from the skills that you're already having, and from knowledge and expertise that you possess? The other thing that you need to learn in those 2 hours today is figure out the various online business ideas in Kenya. This is because when it comes to building an income generating online business in Kenya, there are quite a number of ideas that you can pursue, and the beauty of it is that you can be able to pick one and end up building it into a cash flow online business. You can be able to turn your idea into a money-making online business in Kenya. But you cannot be able to do that by pursuing all the ideas that you might have, which means you need to look at the various ideas that exist in the market and then pick one that is most viable for you to turn into an income generating online business. The other thing that you need to learn in this 1 or 2 hours that you're going to spend figuring out how to start an online business in Kenya is looking at the skills that are needed to be able to succeed with the online business in Kenya. This is because skills play a very big role when it comes to building any sort of business, and it applies the same when building an online business in Kenya. So there are skills that you might have, and there are skills that you'll need probably to learn or understand. That means you need to almost do an audit of the skills gaps that you have. And once you are able to figure that out, then you can be able to create a plan on how you are going to solve that skills problem. And to acquire the skills that you might not have, it might mean that you may probably need to learn them, may be able to probably even get into a course, even short courses on the internet, and be able to acquire the skills that you need to have. You may also just watch YouTube videos and pick them up from them, because there are quite a number of people who have done various tutorial videos teaching you the skills that you need to have to actually be able to build a successful and profitable online business in Kenya. But the most important thing that you also need to learn when you are spending your 1 or 2 hours learning how online businesses work in Kenya is figuring out how you are going to make money and the different ways that an online business makes money in Kenya. This is because monetization and being able to make money with the online business in Kenya is a very important aspect of building a successful online business. And to learn more, watch this video on your screen right now. Subscribe to this channel if you have not, and I'll see you in the next one.